Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to see Instagram messages without opening them. Okay, so first of all, this is the message that I want to read, okay, without being seen. So what I will gonna do is I'm gonna just swipe up and I'm gonna just turn the plane mode and turn off the Wi-Fi, and I'm gonna just watch or see the message. Okay, next what I want to do is to be unseen. Okay, after I saw the message, I'm gonna go to my profile and I'm gonna go to my settings. Okay, and I'm gonna just scroll a little bit down and log out from my account. Okay, so after we log out from our account, we're gonna wait for a couple seconds, and as obviously it says page isn't available because my Wi-Fi connection is turned off. So I'm gonna open the Wi-Fi right now. Okay, and I'm gonna refresh and I'm gonna log in again with my account. And basically this way you're gonna see that the message hasn't been all read. There's alternative way, an easy way and quick. What you're gonna do is you're gonna leave the Wi-Fi open and you're gonna see the message, alright, and you don't want to respond to it, or you don't want to be seen as like saw the message and have a respond. What you're gonna do is, if you are using an iPhone, you're gonna see you're gonna swipe a little bit left and it says right here there's like 3 options. We're gonna click on read, and basically the person who sent you the message won't know that you read the message and did respond. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.